Hi, I am Bob Pine. I am a specialist on Airtable and automation too. Over the years, I've worked with several businesses, helping them streamline their operation using Airtable custom solution and working with other tools like Zapier, Make, Monday.com, Asana, and many other. Today, I want to walk you through a content generation pipeline using OpenAI I built with Zapier. So think about this. You're a business owner, you're a creator, and you're struggling on creating a content that resonates with your audience, your clients, or your potential customers, either through social media platform, email list, or whatever platform you're trying to do, or your team is struggling to come up with ideas, various ideas that of content that you want to put out there for your customers. So I build a system that bridge that gap for you. And a client has been using this and it has been so very wonderful for him. He sent a DM appreciating how these have helped to reduce his time trying to brainstorm on ideas and also help him to focus on other areas of the business. So I want to walk you through how this system work and show you how it can be very effective for your business, and it will be the next game changer when it comes to creating content for you. So I integrate this system using Airtable, Zapier, and OpenAI. So the first thing I did with Airtable is that I create a table in Airtable. So I create a table in Airtable that that actually sent a prompt to the OpenAI, because as much as you can, you want to be able to prompt the OpenAI to work with certain informations that allow him, the OpenAI, to create content that resonates with your audience. You don't just want the OpenAI to just create a content for you, a random content. So you want to give him something to work with that can create a content that it actually resonates with your audience or your potential customers or your email list, as if you are the one trying to connect with them. So I create a table where it can allow you to to give him certain information to work with, to allow him to able to come up with something that is relative to that. So I build the table. So this is the table. So in the table, one of the some of the feed that are included in this AI prompt topics. So you want to give the AI a topic, what topic you're trying to talk about. Is it chaos to clarity? Whatever topic you is it marketing or whatever topic you want to build, then keyword. Also, you also want to give him keywords to work with, because this keyword allow him to um, um, able to actually know what the area of content you're trying to build. Then what can't. You don't want him to just write so many content, so many blog or draft content. So you want it to keep it to a certain level. So I added a table of what can't, that allow him to able to create a content within a certain number of word. Then two, you want to able to allow him to create different content based on tone, friendly and professional tone. So I might want to connect to my audience in Facebook or create a content in my Facebook. I might want to use a professional tone to able to connect with them with that content. And so I want to prompt the AI to do that. If I'm using friendly tone or humor, I want it to do that. So I create a feed tune to allow the AI to able to give him this understanding of how to how to draft the message that allow the audience to able to connect with it. Then platform. So I also create a different platform. So at so many cases, you want to allow him to create content, different content that actually will fit into different audience. If it's YouTube audience, you want to allow him to create audience that actually fit into YouTube audience. If it's Instagram or Facebook or blog. So this is basically what I did with the Airtable that I integrate with Zapier to allow the user, or to allow the user to able to prompt the OpenAI with informations or important informations or query that will allow him to create content that resonates with your audience. So that is basically what I did with the integration with Airtable. Then with the Zapier, then when you prompt when you update those information in the Airtable, then it send those information to the OpenAI. So when it send those information with the OpenAI, which I integrate with Airtable, OpenAI will take those informations, the tone, the target audience, the tag, the topic, and it creates a content that actually fit into the people or the audience you are trying to connect with. Then after creating those content, it send the first draft of that content to you. So he send the first draft to you. So I create a table too in the air table. Like I said, I integrate. So I create a table where after the open AI have created the content, you should send the content here, and also create convert it to document and also send as a document to us. So when you send as a document, it allows us to see that particular draft in document format. So on that document format, you might want to make some changes, you might want to make some adjustments, or you want to send to your team to look at it. So that is basically what I do to make it to simplify the process. Then after that, then it's these are the process, the creating of documents which I explained now. Then you can send it to your team with Gmail. You can send it to your team, you can send it to your email, or whatever let me platform. So this is like the email we sent you. You can see new AI blog draft ready. You can see new AI blog ready. Social media evolving digital era. So this is the this is the you can see it here. This is the first draft. This is the draft today, which is sent as an email. So in your case, you might want to send it to your Slack team to look at the content, to make some adjustment, or actually just go through it and upload. So this basically that is how it works. It is very so smart, and the ideas that we create when it comes to content are something that you will love. My client is currently using this, and it has helped him to save time. Um, Instead of following or trying to create content or come up with ideas, he's now more focused on other areas of the business, allowing the AI to able to create content in various social media platform, email lists that resonate with his audience. So all basically I have to do is just to go through the draft and make some adjustments, or send to his team to make adjustments and upload. And it's actually has been effective. The engagement from the audience, the client reaching out. So it tells you that OpenAI is so very smart when it comes to creating content. So instead of going through the also trying to brainstorm each day, trying to think of what content you are going to create, or your team struggling to do that, I build a system that allow businesses, creators, to able to save them times and help them to manage other area of the business in doing this that for. And it doesn't just have to be a platform. You can create content, generate content for you in various that fit into various platform. So this is a very good system I built. So if you're a business owner, you want me to build something like this for you for your business, that will save you tons of time, resources, and also make you a lot of money, and connect with your audience. We could up on the call. You send a DM, let's up on the call. We build something, um, exactly like this, or more dynamics for my clients. There are more dynamics I built for him that is not here. There are more dynamics I included to him. I could build more dynamics for you that will also help your business. Also, if you're also a business owner, you want to automate other aspects of your business, not just content creating. I've been working. I've been in automation over the years. I've worked with various clients in different niche, e-commerce, real estate, health, insurance, and so many others. And if you want me to automate your business, send a DM, let's up on a call, and let's take that business from whatever it is to the next level. So thank you very much.